Hello everybody. So yesterday I printed out this awesome cover for this vacuum um, cleaner, hand cleaner. Basically it's very light. I ordered this from China and they only sent me this body without anything else. So I was disappointed. They returned the money, but basically what can I do with this? So I printed out this cover, and now the only thing missing is some kind of protection filter which comes over here to protect this spinning wheel from dust going inside. So I have to see in my near shop, maybe I can get something there. If not, then I have to figure something out. But yesterday I printed this thing out, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. I turn on the light, so it fits perfectly, and this is like really good, really amazing stuff. And the only thing now I should print is some kind of extension over here where I can access some stuff. And also one thing is, yesterday I couldn't figure out how to draw properly this notch here to lock this in place, but now I know because I figured it out. Did these cutouts here where these things align here over here, and it cannot move. But now I understand that I need here another cutout here like that, and then it will slide it in a place like that. Now it's not like that, but well, it's actually pretty stable over here. It's pretty rough, yeah. So, and yeah, I think it do the job good. So here is the charging cable on off switch, and now, yeah, now without any filter I cannot use it as a vacuum cleaner. I just can demonstrate that it really works, and yeah, that's it. But basically it's a magical time. I mean, like, come on. I have something totally unusable, totally like broken or half broken, and I can, like, within 1 hour or two I can draw this thing in a computer, and I print it out at home. It's like a magic, you know. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this one. So we'll see how it will turns out in future. So yeah, but for now, yeah, I need two more things. As I said, I need a filter and I need some kind of extension, and then it will be good to go. And also some kind of cutouts, but that's not so important for concept testing. Yeah, I noticed that my printer has some kind of like weird artifacts over here. I don't know, can you properly see? Maybe I will adjust the focus over here. Yeah, as you can see here, I have some interesting artifacts going on over here, over here. I don't know what it is, and okay, also here something goes on, and this is the cutout. But other than that, it seems pretty good. And the insides looks like this. Well, it's not perfect, it's not great, but I was printing on the fastest settings, and it took me 2 hours to finish this job. And also the filament is so old that it breaks apart if I'm not using eventually for some time. So yeah, that's why I'm not even surprised that there's some kind of glitches and artifacts in the print itself. I will change the. I want to finish this filament, and then I want to change it and see. Maybe I can do something better with a new one. But if you have some ideas what could be this one, maybe you can just leave in the comments, because I actually don't know what creates these kind of artifacts like that. And also this one here. I don't know what creates these kind of artifacts. If you know, let me know. Yeah, great. And I will upload this in a Thingiverse. It's not great, it's not perfect, but well, if it works for me, maybe it can also work for you. So great, great stuff. See ya.